What is going on, everyone? It is me, Bullish Investor, again, back with another daily market update. Today is July 23rd, 2022. The total crypto market cap is still above 1 trillion, and the 24-hour volume is down quite a bit from where it was at yesterday. It's at 58 billion. I think it was around 70 billion yesterday. The total market cap is down 0.16%. Bitcoin is down 1%. Ethereum is actually up almost 1%. Everything's pretty stale right now. Nothing crazy happening in the market. The top gainer on the day is Axie Infinity, up 17%, and Synthetics is up almost 8%, ApeCoin up almost 8%, Theta up 7%. Market's not looking too bad right now. Bitcoin is actually number one trending on CoinMarketCap, which is interesting. Crypto bubble, sorry. Axie Infinity is still up 17%. XCN, yet again, XCN is still up. Not sure why XCN is really up 8% today. A lot of the coins are down except for a few outliers, and on the week, we are still up pretty well on almost everything. Some things are down, like Arweave, Elrond, Internet Computer, but most things are up, maybe 10, 20, 30, 40%. Still very good to see. I like this. Market's still pretty stale right now. We're still waiting to see what happens with the market. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're at 31 points. Yesterday we were at 33, last week 21, last month 11. So we are going down a little bit from where we were at yesterday by 2 points. That's not a huge deal. It's going up and down. It is going down, up and down a small amount of points, right? It's not really moving too much. Then on the NFT market right now, everything is doing pretty bad right now. It is very, very stale in the market. A lot of things are down except for ICK Meta. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Up 80% on the change, and then all the NFTs here are down for the networks, the blockchains, except for Polygon, which is up 13%, and then Tezos up 19%. Very small amount of transactions. Again, Solana only having 41,000. Not bad. I think it was around 50,000, 60,000 last video. I'm not 100% sure, but let's get into the news. So first article we got here, expect the next Bitcoin bull run in a year, says finance professor F. Grumman. So apparently, he's predicting another bull run will happen in a year. So he says the next rally will likely occur within 6 to 12 months ahead of the Bitcoin halving event slated for May 2024. So if you don't know what the Bitcoin halving event is, basically I think it's every 4 years Bitcoin halving. So it makes it twice hard to mine a Bitcoin. So it becomes a lot harder to mine, and less coins will be in circulation, which makes the price go up because supply and demand. It's harder to get the coins, and there's less of them. Which is why Bitcoin is going to steadily go up over the years, which is why they think the next bull run will be when the next Bitcoin halving event is, which is May 2024. And Bitcoin might be up for a relief rally in the summer, likely to hit $35,000, while stressing that the crypto winter is far from over. I still believe there is more room for crypto to go down. I don't think this bear market we had right now is over yet. I still think we are going to go down a little bit more. I did say maybe 10, 15,000. Not 100% sure if we are going to hit that level anytime soon. Right now, we're kind of in a little relief pump from the bear market that we've had over the past few months. Right now, people are just trying to make a little bit of money, but I think before it goes down, I do think it's going to drop a little bit more here within maybe the next few months. I don't think a bull run is going to happen this year or next year, but when the next Bitcoin halving event is going to happen, so around 2024, 2025, I think that is when the next bull run is going to be. Next, we got institutional investors are betting on Ethereum as price surges, Market Sarah says. So apparently a lot of the institutional investors right now are betting on Ethereum because the move is expected. So the move is basically the proof of when it's going to switch from proof of work to proof of stake, which is supposed to happen this September. That switch from proof of work to proof of stake is expected to reduce Ethereum's energy consumption by 99.95%, which is going to make the blockchain a lot more eco-friendly, and it's going to hopefully push the price a lot higher because it's not going to be using proof of work. Proof of stake is so much more eco-friendly. People are going to be more interested in buying it, like institutional investors, which is what we're seeing right now. So hopefully a lot of buyers for Ethereum come in the next few months, hopefully pushing the price upwards before September of this year when the merge happens. And then when the merge happens, we got to see what's going to happen. It might pump, it might crash. No idea what's really going to happen. Right now, we are seeing somewhat of a pump on Ethereum right now because of the news, but not 100% sure how it's going to play out until September happens, until this merge actually takes place. And going on to the more bullish Ethereum news, we got Ether dominance rises as altcoins outperform Bitcoin. So right now, Ethereum is actually outperforming Bitcoin, and it now makes up 18.7% of all cryptocurrencies and its highest point since May. So basically, people are now looking at altcoins like Ethereum because anything that's not Bitcoin is labeled as an altcoin, which is Ethereum. Ethereum's labeled as an altcoin, and it has actually been outperforming Bitcoin over the past past few months, I think. So even, yeah, you can even see on the past week, Bitcoin's only up about 6%, where Ethereum is up 14.5%. So it's actually more than double up from what Bitcoin is in the span of a week. So Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. There is more of a utility case from Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, and people are starting to see that. Institutional investors are starting to notice that, which is why they're buying a lot more Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, because there's more happening with Ethereum. It's more scalable, and it's working with other companies to do great things, where Bitcoin is kind of just stale. It's there. There's a lot of money invested in it. The only reason it's there is because it's the OG cryptocurrency. It's what started it all, and that's where a majority of the money is. I do hope Ethereum passes Bitcoin one day, because Ethereum does a lot more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is apparently a store of value, and Ethereum is supposed to be actual blockchain that goes out there like a smart contract platform and actually be able to build dApps and stuff on top of Ethereum. Compared to Bitcoin, you can't do any of that, right? So I do think that's why Ethereum dominance is starting to rise, because more people are starting to notice Ethereum actually has good potential in the market. And last article for today's video, we got Elon Musk, Tesla certainly open to increasing its Bitcoin holdings as Doge gains edge. So apparently, if you didn't hear about it, I talked about it in one of my previous videos, but Tesla sold a large majority of their cryptocurrency. I think they sold about $218 million worth of cryptocurrency. So now, they had sold up to 75% of their crypto, adding $936 million to its balance sheet in liquid cash. They are open to buying Bitcoin in the future, because they just sold a bunch right now. They said apparently due to China lockdowns. Not sure if that's actually the legitimate reason on why they're selling this much cryptocurrency. Maybe they see another huge crash coming and they're going to invest when it's at its absolute lowest. Maybe Musk doesn't like crypto anymore. What if he's all in on Doge? Who knows, right? But they did just sell a lot, and everyone's starting to panic, saying, oh, is Tesla ever going to open to buying Bitcoin again, or crypto in general? Is this going to crash the market? Oh, what's going to happen? So this is basically just Elon Musk saying Tesla will eventually, they are open to the idea of buying back in on crypto, because they could buy a lot of it, and a lot of money that they could buy of the crypto could move the asset quite substantially. So guys, that is it for today's daily market update. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to get started investing in crypto, go check out the links in the description. You can get a lot of free money by signing up, investing, and looking at a bunch of different stuff down there. So go check it out. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.